now like to invite to the podium Dr. Pavan Agrawal himself to talk about the great Indian management of Dabbawalas. Can you please extend a warm welcome?
Good evening, friends. Really, it gives me immense pleasure to stand in front of you all, because from my childhood I know IIM Kolkata is one of the esteemed institute in India, and I feel proud to stand in front of you all in this dais. Honorable Director, Professor Banerjee sir, Honorable Professor Bhattacharya ji, Honorable Bhaduri sir, all respected faculties, Student Council Chairman, and I know many days Mr. Mayuk was following me, and yesterday Mr. Joginder was with me, I think second year students and all my dear students. I know, of course, many people must be knowing about Mumbai Dabbawala. I know what happened. Okay. Friends, I'm going to speak on this today's great day about the Dabbawalas of Mumbai. Many students are knowing what exactly Mumbai Dabbawalas are, but I think I'm going to tell you what exactly Mumbai Dabbawalas are represent. So you have that cordless mic? I'll come front side. Hello, thank you. I'll come front side, right? Friends, many of you must be knowing what Mumbai Dabbawalas are. Sir, 1 hour, na? Because let me know how much time you can spend, because my time is not important, because I'm going tomorrow morning. But till late night I cannot speak, you may not see it, I can speak but you will not see. Friends, 1 hour is given to me, maybe 5-10 minutes more if you are taking interest, no problem. But believe me, what 1 hour I'm going to speak, it will be the thrill story for you all. You will not move from chair. I'm not entertainer, but lots of entertainment I'll give you. Lots of learnings are there. Sometimes I can use some Hindi word. All know some Hindi, not more Hindi. I know because organizer told me the students from all over India, so some students may not be knowing Hindi, so I'll not use more Hindi. But believe me friends, बोलते ना हिंदी में wrong पे खड़े होंगे, you will feel thrilled like that this time you speak friends. And you are all management students. I know many of you having in engineering background, पता नहीं formula हो गया आजकल. So many students, you are all from good, you are engineers as well as management people. Believe me friends, lots of learnings are there. But you must have that passion to learn. What learning, I don't know. Sir, some corporate people want to invite me. I say a couple of months back, somebody asked me on mail, Mr. Agrawal, we want to invite you, but we don't know what are the takeaways from your session. Honestly, I was not understood what you want to ask. Takeaways का मतलब मुझे समझा ही नहीं. I simply answered, sir, I don't know what are the takeaways. I will give away whatever you want to take away, take away. I don't know the takeaways. अब किसी बंदे ने बोला, my good friend, मतलब पवन ऐसा नहीं बात करते हैं. बोले कैसा बात करते हैं? बोले these are the takeaways. I don't know. तो उन्होंने बना के दिया slide. Dr. Agrawal, these are the takeaways from your session. So now I am showing. These are the takeaways from my session. These takeaways will be passion, commitment, consistency, 100% execution, accuracy, dedication, time management, and customer satisfaction. Believe me, friends, these all are takeaways. I will speak, will be there 100%, 100%. You will accept it at the end of session. Yes, these are the takeaways from these people. Who are they? Mumbai Dabbawalas. What they do, friends, you know, they simply deliver tiffin in Mumbai. And you know, friends, tiffin, this is a dabba. This tiffin they deliver in Mumbai, what they do, tiffin is your. Tiffin ऐसे होता है, we have two containers, this is inside container. Here we have food, this tiffin will put inside, and then this tiffin they will pick from your home and deliver at your workplace. मतलब tiffin is your, food is your, cooked at home. They are not caterers. They are not caterers. Food is cooked at home because they want you should eat home cooked food because most hygienic food. Number two, your love and affection of your mother and wife. We want that they should cook at home and you should eat home cooked food. What these people do, they pick this tiffin morning from your home to deliver in workplace before lunchtime. After lunch is over, they will deliver empty tiffin same day in the evening at your home. It means these dabbawalas are doing two deliveries. Now the big question is that why Mumbai people, you cannot carry your tiffin in the morning? One reason, in Mumbai we have sir long railway lines, 60-70 kilometer journey. So if you want to start morning 6 o'clock, you will reach morning 9 o'clock in office, 3-hour journey. If you start morning 6 o'clock, your wife should cook 5 o'clock. Mumbai people don't want their wife should cook 5 o'clock because they love her. They want wife should cook 8 o'clock. But if she cook 8 o'clock, then who will carry 9 o'clock tiffin? Mumbai Dabbawala will carry for you at 9 o'clock. No problem. That's the reason Mumbai people want Dabbawala to carry tiffin at 9 o'clock. Number two, even you start home at 8 o'clock, you cannot carry your own tiffin. The reason, crowded local trains of Mumbai. So crowded local train, it's very difficult for Mumbai people to board in local train. With empty hand, taking tiffin is out of question. You cannot carry your own tiffin. So you require Mumbai Dabbawala to carry tiffin. And that's the reason in Mumbai, these people carrying tiffin more than 121 years. Imagine, friends. When these people carrying tiffin, what is their principle, friend? Just see. Main principle, work is worship, customer is God, no alternative to hard work, and the last is human values. बोलते हैं ना दोस्तों, कूट कूट के भरा है ये सारे प्रिंसिपल्स हर एक डब्बे वाले के पूरे अपने कल्चर में लाइफ में. I know everybody's work nature is different, work culture may be different, but my dear friends, for every person, student may be customer is a God. We should know that. Everybody want, everybody feel, but I don't know to how many people are inculcated the life Dabbawalas are feeling. Yes, my customer is my God. Friends, how this worked, see the history. Started in 1890. There was a Britisher's time. बंदा जोर में बोलता है डब्बे वाला. हम अंग्रेज जमाने के जेलर तो नहीं है, लेकिन अंग्रेज जमाने के डब्बे वाले जरूर हैं. ऐसा बोलता है बंदा. They feel proud. We are doing this service last 120 years. Sir, before 120 years, one Mr. Mahadu was asked by one Parsian, Mr. Mahadu, can you bring my tiffin from my home? Mr. Mahadu answered, I'll bring no problem. So in 1890, there was one Dabbawala, one customer. As on today, we'll see 5,000 Dabbawalas and 200,000 customers. Tiffin every day they're carrying. 5,000 people carrying 2 lakh tiffin. It means one Dabbawala carrying approximately 40 tiffin. 40 tiffin with food, my dear friends, comes to 60-65 kg weight. Can you imagine? 65 kg weight he is carrying in crowded local train on his head. That's why he says, no alternative to hard work. My dear friend, consistently 121 years they are doing this business. It means they are doing hard work. And friends, you know, these people, managers have told you, they are almost all illiterate. Average schooling is 8th grade. Friends, there were olden days, 90% more than that, people were illiterate. As on today also, 30-35% people are illiterate. Why? They are old age people. Last 40 years, 50 years, they are working in this organization. Can you imagine, friends? 45 years, 50 years working in this. Yes, it is possible. It is possible. Nowadays it is possible. Industry people facing two problems, attrition, retention. There is no problem in Dabbawalas. 100% retention, 0% attrition in double organization. Can you imagine this? Friend, it is. In the morning I went to a library. When I entered in library, at the counter only, Mr. Gulam was there. I don't want people knows. Just I asked him, Mr. Gulamji, how many years you are working? You are librarian. At the counter only. He told Agrawal Sahab, I am working last 45 years in IIM. Can you imagine? Means I am also having history that somebody is working last 45 years in the same institute. Friends, this is the same culture. And these people, imagine how much they are traveling, 60 to 70 kilometer journey they are traveling. One way, 60, 70 kilometer. Two way, it comes to 120, 140 kilometers. Can you imagine, friends? Every day, 140 kilometer traveling, return journey. Still they are happy. And this delivery, morning to evening, I told you, they all pick up in the morning from home to workplace, and again, afternoon, they deliver empty tiffin. I'll show afterward, one slide is there, you will come to know how these people are working. This whole day working require approximate 8 to 9 hours. Sir, 8 to 9 hours, they are completely busy. In 9 hours, they do not have 5 minutes to get relaxed. हम जहाँ काम करते हैं 9 hours, I'm sorry, people, industry people, my friends also, बहुत pressure है, lot of pressure. I don't know what pressure they are having, God knows. But I know in my office, when employee says I'm working for 9 hours, believe me, my experience, my employees are working for 9 hours, but actually work 6 to 7 hours for me and 2 to 3 hours for himself. 9 hours do not work employee completely, maybe. Sir, here 9 hours he completely working. Why? Dabbawalas believes that when I'm working for 9 hours, I must contribute completely 9 hours for my customer, for my association. That's it. In 9 hours he is completely busy. Among 9 hours, he says morning 3 hours are war time. Why? Customer must serve in time. In 120 years, it never happened single time that your lunch time started and Dabbawalas not yet came. Impossible. They will never tell you trains are late today. Why? Mumbai trains might be running every day late. Can he come every day late? No, he cannot come every day late. Sir, he feel, suppose Banerjee sir tiffin is late. Customer may be accepting, but Dabbawalas feel if my customer tiffin is late, sir's tiffin food will waste. He will eat outside food, he will pay money and he will waste time. He know the consequences of late going. That's the reason. He always in time, whatever happen. How? Because he start 50 minutes late than the commitment timing. He never gets late. In rainy season, he will start 40-50 minutes early, 30 minutes early, but he will be in time. Friends, if you decide to go in time, no power can stop you to be in time. But we have decided to go in always late, so we are always late. Mumbai people says, our watch can go wrong, but not the Mumbai Dabbawalas. They are always in time. That's a time commitment, friends. Can you imagine this? That's very important. I am not taking more gap to allow you to give more class because time is given 1 hour. My session required 2 hours. So please, I am going fast, man. Try to adjust it. Friends, I want to tell you same thing. If you decide to be in time, you will not be late. See how they are possible, because the structure is very good. The people do not know the meaning of structure. The structure is strong. Couple of months back, when Dabbawalas was giving session, he told, this is our organization's stature. I was there. I told him, my dear, this is not stature, this is structure. Mr. Talekar, he's a secretary. What he answered, Agrawalji, stature and structure is same. How? If stature is strong, patient goes to bed. If our structure is strong, tiffin goes to customer. That's it. Nothing more. Miss Dabbawalas knows our structure is strong because president, vice president, all people are good. They are strong, so all 5,000 people are strong. That's it. Friend, let me just explain the second last call, Mukadam. Mukadam means you can call supervisor or you can say group leader. Friends, in Mumbai, there are groups of Dabbawalas. In one group, 10, 20, 25, 30 Dabbawalas may be there. Depend on density of customer in one area. Suppose in your area, 10 Dabbawalas are there, So 10 Dabawala will become one group. Among 10 Dabawalas, one person will become group leader. And what is the qualification to become group leader? They don't have qualification. So age is a qualification. The man who is highest by age will become group leader. That's it. The reason these Dabawalas are friend Warkari Sampradaya. If you heard of it. In Maharashtra, lakhs of people are Warkari. Who are Warkari? The devotees of God Vithala. Sir, we have very big holy place in Pandharpur. बहुत बड़ा मंदिर है भगवान विठल का. These people go to Pandharpur. So they are Warkari. And जब वहाँ पर जाते हैं तो they wear this tulsi mala in their neck. And therefore they are called Malkari. Right or not? So these are Malkari's friends. Now, see, what is called Malkari? Malkari वो होते हैं जो भगवान विठल के भक्त हैं और जिनके गले में माला है वो बंदा कभी जिंदगी में दारू नहीं पीता है, सिगरेट नहीं पीता है and never eat non-veg despite their marathas. Why? God Vittal do not likes. Same principle he bring into practice. Dabala बोलता है my customer is my God. I must accept what he want. दोस्तों भगवान मानता है ये आपको end of session मानना होगा कि yes, these people believe customer is God. They feel. That's the reason these group leader are Malkari and these Dabawala always respect that group leader. Why? Group leader अपने लिए माँ बाप है ऐसा बोलता है और उनके कल्चर में रिस्पेक्ट में मालकरी में elders always respect, elders always respect. So group में जो बंदा सबसे उम्र में बड़ा है उसका सारा बात मानते हैं. They obey the order and that's the reason Muqaddam is a man who is oldest by age. That is important, friends. And the remaining 5,000 people are Dabawalas. Friend, if you know the Mumbai, मैं आपको बताऊंगा. Try to understand. Again, I have to go fast. This is the map of Mumbai. Central Western Harbour. In Mumbai, we have more than 131, 132 railway stations of local station. Sir, they are delivering from Virat to Churchgate, Kalyan to CST and Panvel to CST. From this end to that end, they are delivering. I am showing with this map how one Dabawala delivering tiffin all over Mumbai. I will show you that. And like that Dabawala, all 5,000 people working all over Mumbai. See, this is Dabawala. This is a building area. This area is of Vile Parle. Vile Parle is a local railway station. On Dabba, I will show afterward, they put local railway stations coding because Dabbawala always deliver tiffin by local train only. They will not use other mode of transport. So wherever you are staying, they will put railway local station's name on your tiffin. So this is a Vile Parle area. This Dabbawala will collect 40 tiffin from that residential area. Now, can you accept that 40 tiffin of customer, one person could deliver all over Mumbai? Not possible. Because when I am collecting 40 tiffin, my 40 customers scatter all over Mumbai. I cannot deliver all over Mumbai. I can deliver only one building. For example, I am Kolkata, that's it. I cannot go to all management college of Kolkata. Impossible. So see how this person is working. He is collecting 40 tiffin and will start his journey. He will come with 40 tiffin and drop that 40 tiffin at Vile Parle station. His first job is over. That 40 tiffin will be sorted out in Vile Parle station by some other people. This Dabawala will be given second job. He will be asked, take 35 tiffin and carry at Dadar station. He will carry 35 tiffin and drop at Dadar station. Second job is over. His third job, he will collect 40 tiffin and deliver, drop at Charni Road. His third job is over. He will deliver 35-40 tiffin at Charni Road, drop. Fourth job, from Charni Road, he will ask to drop 40 tiffin at Churchgate, the last destination of Western Railway. Now he will walk by road, maybe bicycle, maybe by walk, maybe by cart, and he will be asked to deliver 40 tiffin, means drop, at Nariman Point. He will start his journey by road and he will drop 40 at Nariman Point. Last sixth job, he will ask to deliver 35 tiffin in this building called Express Tower, where 35 customers are in Express Tower. Before lunchtime, he will deliver all 35 tiffin of Express Tower. All customer got the tiffin. During customer will eat food, Dabala also will eat his own food by sitting somewhere down. After his lunch is over, after Express Tower customer lunch is over, he will go to Express Towers and he will come back. How he went in the morning, he will come back, and when he come back at Ville Parle, he will get his 40 morning empty tiffin, which he only will deliver at Ville Parle houses. Evening 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, his job is over. Sir, morning 8 o'clock he has started, till evening 5 o'clock, he is completely busy. Can you imagine, friends? Can we do? Now many people ask me, why you want to deliver lecture to management student? How do you useful? Friends, I know you are not Dabawala. I know in life you will never become Dabawala. But the passion we can copy from them. The honesty, consistency, dedication, we can copy from them. That is my purpose to deliver this lecture to you all. See, friends, how these people are working. My dear friends, adverse situation they are working. They are working with the illiteracy. They are working with the less income what we earn. At least I know I am earning very good. They are not earning that much good. Despite their 100% execution, their honest, their dedication, how and why? I believe if Dabawala could do, why we cannot do? Friend, if you see these Dabawalas, how these people are working, see the working system, error rate, 1 in 16 million transactions. Can you imagine? 1 error in 16 million. This one error also shown by qualified people. Dabawala do not accept one error. बोलता है एक भी गलती नहीं पता किधर है. He challenge. He don't believe one error is there. Why? What he dialogue? He dialogues. Error is horror. Don't look into mirror. It is danger. He speak like this. You should not do error. What error you can do? He believe if you are not delivering in time, it's an error. If wrong delivery, it is error. So best way you should not do error. And that's the reason this Dabawala got, Six Sigma performance certification. The people do not know the meaning of Six Sigma. They got Six Sigma. How they got? Some Delhi people came to Mumbai. Some 13 years back. These people want to research on Dabawalas. When these people came to Mumbai, office of Dabawala don't know the meaning of research. When they came to know, one Dabawala opened the tiffin, what you will research? Dal hai, chawal hai. वो रिसर्च को बोलते हैं, अरे अंदर रिसर्च नहीं करना है, तुम्हारी सर्विस को रिसर्च करना है. तो सर्विस पे, हाँ, बोलता है, we will travel all over Mumbai. We will travel all over Mumbai for 4 days. And during that traveling, we will study how you deliver. Okay, ठीक है. 4 दिन ट्रैवल किए, एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया. Dabawala बोलता है हमारे ऊपर चोपड़ा लिखा. These people went back to Delhi. After 3 months, from Delhi they phoned to Dabawala. Dabawala, you got Six Sigma. Dabawala बोलता है what is Six Sigma? I don't know. बोलता है it's a big honor. So what to do? Delhi वाला बोलता है it is for you. Dabawala बोलता है okay, send, no problem. दिल्ली वाले बोलते हैं अरे यार we cannot send, you have to come and collect. We are coming to Mumbai. Okay, come, we will come. It's a big honor, please come. अब ये बार-बार big honor कितना big they don't know. But they told very big. Because it was very big, 16 Dabawala went to collect that honor because it's a big honor. And when these people honor, they honor with some certification. President बोलता है what is this? बोलता है Six Sigma. पीछे से आवाज आती है साहब 4 टैक्सी का पैसा बर्बाद हो गया. Why you came to collect this Six Sigma? It is useless. Can you imagine? He is bothered about Six Sigma. Friends, organizer told, my dear, don't say like this. Dabawala, you are second in the world and first in India who got Six Sigma. That is Mumbai Dabawalas. Imagine. Even though they least bother, the reason they are not working for Six Sigma, they are working for customer satisfaction. If my customer is satisfied, I got Six Sigma. If I got Six Sigma, my customer is not satisfied, it is useless. Can you imagine? This is the working system, my dear friends. We are working for certification. They are working for customer satisfaction. That's what I want to tell you. And that too, without technology. There is no technology, friends. Sir, even some developers nowadays having mobile, they can't use their mobile. The reason both the hands are engaged in delivering different, they can't use mobile. बोलता है टेक्नोलॉजी यूजलेस है हमारे लिए. सर कितना चार्ज करते हैं यार? 400 रुपया पर मंथ. My dear friends, if you calculate, it will come 13 to 14 rupees per day. Must be in Kolkata, in Mumbai. Sir, a courier man asks 15 rupees to deliver small envelope. Am I right? यहाँ पर बंदा 400 रुपया महीने का लेता है, पर डे 13-14 रुपया. I asked one डब्बावाला, why you charge so less? What do you answer? Agrawal ji, my customers are not poor, not rich. My many customers are workers. Why they want home cooked food? Because it is costly to eat outside food. If I charge more, they will discount my services. Because they should feel economy feasible, we charge less. I asked Dabawala, what about your income then? What do you answer? Sir, we earn good 8 to 9,000 per month. Average comes 7,000 per month. Why average comes down? Because if you are in Mumbai for 9 to 10 months, sir, suppose 2 months you are shifted to Delhi or Kolkata, 10 months if you deliver, 9 months if you deliver, he will collect 9 months delivery charges, not 12 months delivery charges. Why? I had delivered my customer 9 months only. I cannot ask 12 months delivery charges. Despite there are many services, among them, number one, my child go to school in Mumbai. For 7 months, bus wala charge 12 months fare. Am I right? Maybe in Kolkata. Why? It is their practice. It is their practice. He don't want to charge more. Then I asked income. What he answered? Sir, मैं extra कमाता हूँ. Dabawala says, I'm earning extra. How? Early morning, late evening, before working hours, after working hours, I earn extra. How? They do delivery of milk bags, delivery of newspaper, driving auto rickshaw, driving taxi, some other work. ऐसा करके बोले सर मैं 5,000 और कमाता हूँ. Like that, I earn 12 to 15,000 per month. He's happy. I asked यार 15,000 में गुजारा होता है? पता है क्या बोलता है सर वो? बोले साहब मुंबई में जीने के लिए 15,000 बहुत है. चैन करना है तो 15 लाख भी कम है. ऐसा डब्बा वाला बोलता है. Imagine this. Income satisfaction. Income satisfaction. One Dawala told me, sir, you know I'm a teacher. I'm an educationist. Dawala tells me, Bole Saab, in Maharashtra, when teacher working on a contractual basis, he get 5,000 salary. Double graduate person get 5,000 salary. Teacher get 5,000. Dawala says, I am earning 7,000. It means I am richer than your teacher. I am happy. Dosto, my message to you all, don't take it otherwise. Nowadays, the word is what? Package. Good, it is good package. Just, it's my fortune, on 17th of March, I delivered in Dubai for alumni IIMs in Gulf country. It was IIM alumni session. More than 500 IIMs people were there, from 60 to 70 like this. Same thing I told them. I'm sorry if I don't take otherwise. Nowadays, sir, in my institute, student and parent, when they come to take admission for management, for MBA, they ask 2 questions. First question, sir, you have placement? हम लोग झूठ बोलते हैं, 100% placement. Honestly. पापा पूछता है, okay, ठीक है, what will be the package? MBA में admission लिया भी नहीं. He want to know from me, what will be his package after 3 years? Can I tell him correctly? Is it possible? Not possible, friends. Not only this, sir, before I think 1 year, one student came to me with sweet box. I came to know he got placement. I asked him first question, what package you got? He told, sir, I got 11 lakhs. I was very happy. I asked second question, when you are joining? What he answered, sir, I am not joining. Why? Searching for 12 lakh. 11 lakh package he got, he is searching for 12 lakh. Is it good, my dear friends? I think it is not good. Friends, my message to you all, you are not, of course, concerned to me, but of course you are a very reputed institute, family, whatever background. But I feel so, when you get opportunity, you must work long time for the company, then expect what company will pay you. Believe me, there are company, maybe every company want good people. There are not good people available in the company might be. Why, friends? Because we don't have consistency in job might be, in work. I told you, friends, this is their system. पैसा किसको नहीं चाहिए यार? See, they want Diwali bonus. Sir, believe me, there are some customer who refuse to pay bonus. If some customer refuse to pay bonus, Dabawala will not discontinue services. I asked Dabawala, man, this customer not paid, why you want to continue? पता है क्या बोलता है? Sir, customer is my God. How I can stop to eat food to my God? I told my God, your God has not paid bonus. पता है Dabawala क्या बोलता है? Sir, he has not paid bonus, but he has paid 12 months salary. If for 1 month bonus, if I discontinue, I will lose 12 months salary. Dabawala say like this, what is to sacrifice 1 month bonus or 12 months salary? He says 1 month bonus, no problem. And that's the reason in 120 years, they never went on strike. Never went on strike. Can you imagine facts? Never. Why? Park is worship. Proved. मानता हूं दोस्तों, all may not agree. बट कुछ बोलते हैं ना, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस होता है. सर दबारा बोलता है, साहब हमने अपनी मौत को करीब से देखा है. In Mumbai, you must be knowing, in 1982, there was a textile mill workers strike. 4 lakhs workers went on strike. In 82, till today they are on strike. Can you imagine? कभी वापस आए नहीं. 32 साल हो गए. Never came back. कितने वर्कर मर गए, कितने वर्कर की फैमिली बर्बाद हो गई. Anybody knows? Not only this, among 4 lakh workers, thousands of workers taking delivery from Mumbai Dabawala because they went on strike. 600 Dabawalas remain unemployed. बंदा बोलता है साहब हमने अपनी मौत को करीब से देखा है. The consequences of strike, they knows this. I don't comment Sven, but you know, couple of days back in Maruti, HR manager was, I feel proud, more than 40 sessions till today I have given in Maruti. I was knowing that sir very well. Forget, problems are there. But can you think the consequence of problem should be like this? They says no. All may not agree. इनके भी झगड़े हैं सर, अंदरूनी. But despite झगड़ा है, no police case, no court case in 120 years, 121 years. Can you imagine? No police case, no court case. Why? Every 15th of the month they are meeting. In that meeting, all Dabawalas, those who are dispute, they come together. They discuss. But before meeting gets over, the president what is final. They believe my president is my judge. This is the culture, my dear friends. We should not, we should accept. We should accept. Friends, it requires what? I think maybe attitude approach. But what I was telling you, sorry. See, मैं सब बताने का एक ही मकसद था, satisfaction. Can you purchase satisfaction anywhere? It's an inbuilt feeling. Dabawala are completely satisfied. Not Dabawala. I'll tell some examples of customer satisfaction. In my research, I asked some customers some examples. I'll do 2-3 examples because of time constraint. मैंने कस्टमर को पूछा, Dabawala कस्टमर को, what is your experience about Dabawala? कस्टमर बोलता है, sir they are excellent. मैंने what? How they can be excellent? Food is your, tiffin is your, they simply deliver. That's it. पता है? कस्टमर क्या बोलता है? No sir, they are not simply deliver tiffin. They don't simply deliver food. How? He has given me example. Sir, when I leave morning 6 o'clock from my home, sometime customer told me I forget my spectacle, my pen at home. Then my wife sent through tiffin in my office 9 o'clock. You will call value added services given by Dabawalas, free of charge to the customers. I asked another Dabawala customer, what is your experience? पता क्या बोलता है? साहब बोले Dabawalas are very honest. मैंने क्या संबंध है honesty का? They cannot eat your food. पता है क्या बोलता है? Customer, no sir. How they are honest? It is my experience, customer experience. That customer told me, sir, in Mumbai, when we get salary, we are afraid of to carry salary in pocket. Why? It can be stolen in crowded local train. So what you do? After eating my food, that customer puts salary in empty tiffin, and this empty tiffin with salary delivered Dabawala safely in the hands of wife in the evening. Can you imagine, friend? Customer sends salary through tiffin. We are afraid of to send DD through courier. They send tiffin, cash. The reason in 120 years, tiffin may be locked, unlocked. They never open, never open. Why? It is not their practice to open, and they are so busy, don't have time to open. So they never open. One more customer. I told you some customers send cash, some customers send gold, silver, some customers send love letter. I'll show example of love letter. Some message to you all. I asked one customer. Customer told me, sir, Dabawala changed my life. How? Because he had disputed his wife. Customer disputed with his wife. I told, why you come to Dabawala? You want to share with me. तो कस्टमर बोलता है साहब कुछ महीने पहले मेरा और बीवी का झगड़ा हुआ और आप जानते हो इंडियन हस्बैंड टूटेगा लेकिन झुकेगा नहीं. सेम थिंग हैपन. I don't know who are happy girls or boys, I don't know, but it's a fact. Might be. So that Dabawala customer told me, despite dispute, I have beaten my wife, Indian mard. Another achievement he has got. Despite next day morning, husband took his bag, told his wife, I am going my office, I will not come back home, relationships are over. Angry young man went to office. 9 o'clock, Dabawala came home. Indian wives, dila ke manta nahi. Despite she has beaten, she want to deliver tiffin for husband. Maybe the last tiffin, but she want to deliver. When Dabawala took tiffin from home, he delivered in office. In lunch time, husband saw the tiffin. Morning, angry young man become the hungry young man. So he opened the tiffin. When he opened the tiffin, on the top of the tiffin, written message from wife. Oh my beloved husband, I love you Lord. Forget work in the morning, eat my food, it is delicious for you. The message given by wife to husband, but delivered by? ऐसा भी काम करते तुम्हारे लिए फोकट में हो. अब दोस्तों, खाना खाने के बाद husband को शर्म तो आती है. He also want to do something. Sir, after eating food, he brought 2 cinema tickets, put an empty tiffin and written message to wife, as sir, I will not, we'll meet in the evening and we'll forget what happened. दोस्तों मेरा मैसेज क्या था? मेरा मैसेज ये है, if you give services consistently, some or the other day, you will find one customer believe you are God for him. Believe me friends, I am a teacher. Banerjee sir, Bhattacharya sir, may agree with me. Sir, we delivered lectures by taking money. Pocket नहीं बढ़ाते हम लोग, पैसा लेके पढ़ाते हैं. फिर भी some student meet somewhere, he feels, sir, my change life, I changed my life because you taught something. Am I right, friends? This is my experience. But provided if you deliver consistently, दोस्तों, it require what? Your attitude and approach. Then some discipline, in-care discipline, no alcohol, drinking, smoking during business hours. Why? Early morning, you leave. Dabawala घर पर आता है. Who are there? Mother, sister, wife. When they deliver empty tiffin in the evening, who are there? Mother, sister, wife. बंदा बोलता है सुबह जाओ, शाम को जाओ, घर पे महिला होती है. It is not good to drink and smoke. See the imagine. Because they feel my customer is God. Then cap is compulsory, I-card is compulsory, no leave without prior notice. Sir, if Dabawala remain absent one day, 1,000 rupees fine. Without notice, if you remain absent. Why? Rule. That's it. एक फॉरेन कंट्री के लोग आए थे जस्ट लास्ट महीने में. देखो डबाले कितने बिलीवेंट, ये सीखने जैसा है. उस फॉरेन बंदे ने पूछा डबाले को, इफ सडनली यू गॉट सिक, हाउ यू विल डू, व्हाट यू विल डू. पता क्या बोलता है डबाला? सर, इफ आई गॉट सडनली सिक, आई विल इन्फॉर्म सडनली, दैट्स इट, नो प्रॉब्लम. सी द फीलिंग्स. सर, इफ सम डबाला रिमेन सिक, रात को 2 बजे डबाला वाइफ इन्फॉर्म मुकादम, my husband is sick, he will not come. Midnight 2 o'clock. Why? Disciplines. Friends, let me show you how these people are working. I'll show you that. This mic is. Can you open this mic? Friends, I'm showing how these people are working. Midnight 2 o'clock, maybe daytime. Now I'm showing one video clip where you will see that these Dabawalas are carrying 70-60 kg weight on their head, but they are traveling. Why? Because they know work is worship. Despite crowded local train, despite some other problem, 65 kg weight they are carrying. Acha, volume is there. There, come to your speaker. Shall I start? Okay, good. See.
The Mumbai Dabawalas are a close-knit group of 5,000 people of stamina, values and ethics. they are engaged in the business of collecting tiffin boxes filled with homemade food from different houses and distributing them at the workplaces of the earning members of these families in the pre-noon and returning empty boxes to the respective houses in the afternoon. They moved 200,000 such lunches to 200,000 people working in different organizations.
Friends, I was showing you that man is, as on today, 75-year-old, still working. Can you imagine, friends? I told you local train is main mode of transport, but from your residence to station, station to office, the second mode of transport is bicycle. They are feel proud to use bicycle because no investment, no fuel, no parking problem. Bicycle can break the signal in the morning to achieve time. That's why they want to use bicycle to deliver tiffin. Friends, coding system. Before 100 years, their coding was color thread. ऐसे पुराने लोग बोलते थे, मेरे दादाजी कहाँ करते थे? मुंबई नगरी 3.5 गांव की मुंबई, गिरगांव, नायगांव, माझगांव, बचाव आधा गांव. ऐसे पुराने लोग बोलते थे. So गिरगांव, नायगांव, माझगांव, they will blue will go to Naigaon. Then they started to use color cloth or tags. After a couple of years, customer increase, Mumbai grown, they started alpine shape. Again, customer increase, they started alphabet. A for Andheri, B for Bandra, M for Mulund. These are what? Local railway station's name. If you remember, I told you, they will put on your tiffin local railway station name, wherever you stay. But again, Mumbai grown, customer increase. This is today's coding system. They do coding on top of the tiffin. यहाँ पर कोडिंग करते हैं. ये कोडिंग क्या है? थोड़ा फास्ट बताता हूँ मैं. Try to understand. See, VLP stand for Ville Parle, the residential station of customer. E stand for Dabbawala, who will go to collect tiffin from Ville Parle. Number 3 stand for the working area of customer called Nariman Point. It means E नंबर का बंदा कहाँ से टिफिन उठाता है? विले पार्ले से. और वो टिफिन विले पार्ले से ट्रैवल कहाँ करेगा? नरीमन पॉइंट. During this traveling, this tiffin will mix at least 6 times, but will reach Nariman Point. At Nariman Point, when this tiffin will reach, who will pick the tiffin? 9 नंबर का डब्बे वाला उठाता है टिफिन को. वो कहाँ पर देगा? EX means एक्सप्रेस टावर. 12 means 12th फ्लोर पे डिलीवर कर देगा. That's it. Means on your 12th floor office, tiffin is delivered. Why cannot come to your office table? Because your company do not allow to come to office table. There are some companies who allow at the gate. He will deliver at the gate. That's it. Without name address, tiffin is delivered in your office. You will see, बोलेंगे सर D'Souza. पता है D'Souza किसने लिखा है? Customer himself. Why? Mr. D'Souza customer could not recognize his own tiffin, so he writes name. Imagine friends. How they do coding. Look, another video clip. See, simple matchstick.
Lies in a coding system that is simple and very effective. This lunchbox, which contains the meal Swati has cooked for her husband, has been coded VLP 23 MT10 on the top, and Q3 is scribbled below.
Have you seen, friend? Simple matchstick, simple piece of paper becomes a brush. Not only this, friends, when this tiffin you wash again at home, sometime their coding is not visible properly. If any developer comes to know coding is not visible properly, what he will do? He will remove color from pocket and he will overwrite with finger. He will not say it is not my job, he will do the job. That's a coordination. Imagine this. दोस्तों सारा इंडस्ट्री जानता है, आप लोग जानते हैं, मैं जानता हूं, जब तक सारे लोगों में से हर एक बंदा काम नहीं करेगा, you cannot get Six Sigma IR. Impossible. Impossible. They are doing. Imagine this. How they load, unload tiffin in running local train. See another video clip.
That 200,000 of them are having it on all working days on time, thanks to the Mumbai Dabbawalas. The shelf life of these lunches are just 4 to 5 hours. Therefore,
have you seen, friend? This is luggage compartment. They cannot travel in other compartment. In luggage compartment, other people are not allowed. But when other people are boarding because of overcrowded train, Dabbawala, this basket stuck to other people's head. that commuter, that passenger fight with Dabawala. Dabawala will fight with the commuter, but Dabawala will fight only up to the station. Why? He want to deliver tiffin, he don't want to fight with you. That's why Dabawala says, 12 coast train, 4,000 commuters, 8,000 disputes, no excuse, duty first.
The spontaneous sorting. Everyone is picking up his tiffins as per his delivery areas. Tiffins for areas with more density are transported on carts collectively. Some tiffins are on bicycles and some are personally taken by hand. From here, the tiffins move.
As he went, some old age people carry tiffin with carts. Now see, I'm showing 50% sorting they do in running local train. See another clip.
One tiffin box shifts hands in transit at least 6 times before it reaches its consumer in his office. The same is the case in its return journey as an empty tiffin.
As seen friends, running local train, standing near the gate, they are doing sorting. Why? They want to save time, they want to deliver tiffin in time. That's the way of working. Friends, I know everybody having ups and downs, Dabawala having ups and downs, they lost their business in these examples, but they know work is worship, so they work continuously. They got many awards, felicitation, documentaries made by UTV, MTV, I would say A to Z TV of the world made documentary on Dabawalas because they work excellently. Many people honor them. IITs, IIMs, thanks Kolkata Today invited, so we feel honored with your invitation. You know friend, Dabawala got ISO certificate without application or Phukat. Can you imagine? They never applied, but they got ISO. Some Delhi people came, they told Dabawala, you are ISO, so take the certificate. कहाँ पर रखा है मालूम भी नहीं. They never write where ISO. Why? My customer is satisfied, I am ISO. That's it. Friends, recognition you will get. See, this is recognition. These are those 50 Indians who influenced Mumbai. Tata, Birla, Ambani, Balasaheb Thackeray, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, and Mumbai Dabawala also. Can you imagine? Among these great 50 Indians, Dabawala having place who influenced Mumbai. Why? Consistently, they worked 120 years, they recognized. Dosto, we cannot get recognition instantly. For that purpose, you must work consistently. 100% your service will be recognized. It takes time, I agree. Many achievements, friends. Many achievements. I will show you last. This was the achievement in Mumbai. DNA made survey. What 10 top things Mumbai people like? Somebody told vada pav, somebody told cutting chai, and somebody told Dabawala. It means they are favorite people among all top 10 in Mumbai. They feel proud. I feel proud. I got PhD on this subject. Friends, you know, Prince Charles came to Mumbai in 2003. Before Prince Charles supposed to come, 6 months before to Prince Charles visit, British Council head Mr. Jitendra Jain phoned to Dabawala. Dabawala, Prince Charles want to visit you. Dabawala replied, I don't know who is Prince Charles. That Jain Sahib told, he is a king of London. Oh, king of London. Okay, Dabawala replied, we will allow him to visit, no problem. With two conditions. First condition, Prince Charles should come as per our timing, that is between 11:20 and 11:40. Number 2, we cannot go to Prince Charles. Prince Charles should come to us. Where? Churchgate footpath. Mr. Jain replied, Dabawala, how you have this condition? How you say like this? Dabawala क्या बोलता है मालूम है? Sir, Prince Charles लंदन के राजा है. हम उनकी इज्जत करते हैं, लेकिन 2 लाख कस्टमर हमारे महाराजा है. उनको डिस्टर्ब करके हम राजा को नहीं मिलेंगे. That's what the other condition. Proved, customer is the God. Proved. Friends, the great Prince Charles accepted the timing and place, and Prince Charles told, you are simply great. Amazing. Nobody can work like you. Not only this, friends. Richard Branson came to Mumbai. He wanted to visit Dabawala. Richard Branson told he want photo with Dabawala. Because he want photo with Dabawala, he brought his own tiffin from London. और टोपी हमने पहनाई. मतलब क्या? Sorry, not that टोपी man. It's an honor. ये टोपी मतलब सर का ताज है. दोस्तों, मीडिया को पता है मिस्टर ब्रांसन क्या बोलते हैं? I want this photo because I will place this photo in my office and I will tell my employees, work like Dabbawalas. That was stated by Mr. Branson. Imagine, friend, the impact of Indian management so great in the mind of Branson because we are great. Not only this, many people, even I will pause, where message. This was the inauguration of book written by this lady, Shobha Bhondre. मराठी में किताब लिखा है मुंबईचा अन्नदाता. दोस्तों, इस किताब का उद्घाटन कहां पर था? चर्चगेट फुटपाथ पर. किसके हाथों? उस समय के चीफ मिनिस्टर. मिस्टर चीफ मिनिस्टर अपने भाषण में बोलते हैं, मिस्टर अग्रवाल, आई ऑलवेज रीच इन प्रोग्राम, एवरी प्रोग्राम 1 hour लेट. लेकिन आज जब मुझे पता चला, सीएम साहब बोलते हैं ये डब्बे वालों का प्रोग्राम है, तो मैं प्रोग्राम के 5 मिनट पहले ही आ गया. क्यों? सीएम साहब को डर था, इफ आई विल बी 2 minutes late, the borough will not wait for me. That's why I came in time. Can you imagine, friends? Sir, it means consistently, if you work in time, rest of the world will bother about your timing. Really salute, even though I am Kolkata. Exact 5:40, my session started. God bless you. Really, friends. This is what the management, which we should apply. Imagine, friends. So, they feel, even I have written one book. Unfortunately, my book is not in a stock nowadays. I had written book, Master of Supply Chain Management, Dabbawala, in Mumbai. Sir, in US we went, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray saw the book, he wanted to inaugurate this book because it was written on Dabbawala. What is my message? If you are good, big people will join you. You may not require to approach them. That's what we feel. Friend, many people, Wharton, maybe CI conference, ING group, maybe London. In UK we went to deliver for British Telecom. Sir, because I was Indian speaker only among auditorium, these London people display sari all over auditorium. Some female in London, men, they wearing sari, they came in sari to show me the impact of Indian culture in London. Imagine, friends. Friend, they welcomed me with the Chatti India song in London. But हमारे भारत संस्कृति का प्रभाव लंदन में कितना आप जानते हो? भारत में कितना आप जानते हो? But लंदन में मैंने देखा है. Great impact. Friends, maybe Bosch company, maybe many places, friends. Maybe foreign countries, other places. You know, Prince Charles married. When Prince Charles was married, only 3 Indians invited. Among 3 Indians, 2 were Dabbawalas. Imagine. Friends, when they got invitation, Dabbawala phoned me. अग्रवाल जी, एक अच्छा ग्रीटिंग बनाना है. बनाते हैं. पता है क्यों? अग्रवाल साहब, पेपर में पढ़ा, ये प्रिंस चार्ल्स का दूसरा शादी है. एक बंदा क्या बोलता है मैं, ऐसा ग्रीटिंग बनाओ, तीसरा शादी नहीं होना चाहिए. Sir, why? Because Prince Charles. Imagine. बंदा बोलता है, because of Prince, we recognize all the world respect Prince Charles. Friends, Charles written 26 July. When the water, all was under couple days in Mumbai. When Prince came to know, later, myself, this with you, friend, commitment, marathon, HIV, they contribute something. Why? You, my customer, when I from them, contribute something. दोस्तों, ऐसे से I didn't pay for 10 months. I am doing PhD Mumbai papers because time is there. She come 8th standard girl. She come morning 4:30 with her father to collect newspaper 4:30 to 6. Take care of stall 6 to 7 in school uniform. 7 o'clock she go to school. Can we do this hard work? May not be, but they're doing. And friend, you know how many newspapers are there? Many newspapers are there. You know how they come in dark, midnight, 2 o'clock to work. You know, friends, how these people carrying 40-50 kg. You know, friends, even these families, even these people get only 5 days holiday in 365 days. 2 महीने पहले एक बंदा बोलता है पेपर वाला, सर आई एम सॉरी, मैं ऐसे बात कर रहा हूँ. बंदा बोलता है, सर मेरा बाप मर गया तो भी मुझे पेपर के लिए आना पड़ा. हिंदू संस्कृति में हमारी 12 दिन घर से निकलते नहीं है, मैं रोज आ रहा हूँ. वाई? आई शुड डिलीवर पेपर फॉर माई कस्टमर. इतने न्यूज़पेपर के लोग, अनप्रिंटेड जर्नी, हाउ दे वर्क हार्ड. मीडिया पीपल, मे बी फोटोग्राफर, मे बी प्रिंट मीडिया पीपल, delivery boys, distributors, how much they work hard, we don't imagine. Sir, this man is 83-year-old, still working. Can you imagine? At the age of 22, he has started. Last 61 years, he is working for paper delivery boy. Can you imagine, friend? You must be knowing Abdul Kalam, the great president. He was paper delivery boy in his childhood. Friend, I said, कई लोग हैं, they are working hard. Friends, I feel proud. There are some qualities of Dabawala Paperwala. I don't believe these are the qualities of Dabawala Paperwala. I feel these qualities of every Indian, provided you must bring into practice all these qualities. Friends, I feel proud. I started Mumbai Dabawala Education Center in Mumbai. Sir, last 7 years, I am providing Mumbai Dabawala children's education absolutely free of cost. In my institute, MBA, they get free. Not only this, in 2010, when I feel Dabawala also should take some education, basic literacy of computer, basic English, they should know. I told them, 6 months, I was pursuing them. Please come, please come. They were not ready. भगवान ने बुद्धि दी. सर, दोस्तों, मैंने लकड़े की, you are engineers, you must be knowing, लकड़े की लोकल ट्रेन बनाई, हर एक डिब्बे में पीसी रखा, उनको लाके बताया, डेवलपर बोलते हैं, अरे ये लोकल ट्रेन है, हम लोग अब कंप्यूटर पढ़ने को आएंगे, because they feel we are learning computer in local train. Now they are coming to learn this computer. Friend, classroom I made with a local train. Inside, chair and blackboard, they sit inside and they learn English also. I feel proud, really, friends. Thus, thank you so much for inviting me on this great task. God bless you. Thank you, Banerjee sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
On behalf of all of us,
Really touched with your standing applaud and so claps. Thank you, God bless you. Thank you so much, ma'am.